Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to withdraw from Athene Network. We're gonna give you a clear step-by-step guide on how to withdraw ATH or Athene Python using the Athene mobile. First step is to open Athene mobile app. Launch the Athene app on your device, then navigate to the wallet screen from the bottom menu or dashboard. Now, you need to tap Withdraw. On the wallet screen, find and select the Withdraw option to begin the transaction. You need to enter withdrawal details. Input the amount of ATH you wish to withdraw. Then paste or type in your Athene Python wallet address carefully, then double check it to avoid errors. Now all you have to do is to confirm the withdrawal. Just tap confirm to submit your withdrawal request. You may be prompted to complete a verification step, for example, a PIN, biometric, or 2FA, depending on your settings. Once confirmed, your transaction will be processed and sent to the Athene Python network address you provided. Always make sure the destination address is correct before confirming. Let me know if you'd like help tracking the transaction or viewing it on a blockchain explorer. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.